how to create your Netlify account and deploy your website. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Netlify account and deploy your website. So first of all, you have to open a new browser tab and come to netlify.com, the official website of Netlify, and click on sign up from here. And after that you can sign up with GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket. Sign up with email. I'll just go with sign up with email. I'll give my email address here, and password should be is strong password, and we'll just click on sign up. And after signing up, check your mail, it says. Then we'll go on Gmail, and here it's you're nearly there. We have to click on verify mail, and after that it will take us to our account. We'll have to write our first name, last name, and how are you planning to use Netlify. I'll choose personal. What kind of project do you want to build first? Web3, personal project, something else, e-commerce. Let's go with personal project. What best describes your role? Team leader, marketer, product manager, documentation, junior web developer. If let's say marketer, and what is the name of your team? Let's give it a name like Rick's team, and continue to deploy. And you can check for GitHub, GitLab, Azure DevOps, Bitbucket, deploy your first project. So for that, we'll just skip this step for now. And as you can see, there are multiple options here, and we can also look for some builds, extension, domains, and add your project to Netlify. So let's say this is my project. Let's say this is my project, and we'll click on upload. Zero files, it says. Canva. You can just select your current file and click on upload, and your file will be uploaded and deployed. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.